Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at a RAM upgrade that can breathe new life into some older but still very capable Dell Latitude laptops. Specifically, we're talking about the OWC 4GB DDR3 1333 MHz memory module. This little stick of RAM is designed to be compatible with several Dell Latitude models, including the E6320, E6420, E6420ATG, E6420XFR, and the E6510. Now, why would you want to upgrade the RAM in an older laptop? Well, the simple answer is performance. Even with a solid-state drive, a lack of RAM can cause noticeable slowdowns, especially when multitasking or running more demanding applications. This OWC module offers a cost-effective way to boost your system's responsiveness and overall speed. This is a single 4GB DDR3 module, operating at 1333 MHz with a PC3-10600 rating and CL9 latency. It's a 2RX8 configuration, meaning it has 2 ranks of memory chips on each side. It operates at a standard 1.5V, which is important for compatibility with these older systems. One of the great things about OWC is their commitment to quality and compatibility. This module is JEDEC standard and RoHS compliant, ensuring it meets industry standards for performance and environmental safety. It's also designed and tested to meet or exceed all manufacturer OEM specifications, so you can be confident that it will work seamlessly with your Dell Latitude. Installation is incredibly straightforward. Simply locate the RAM slots on your laptop, usually under a panel on the bottom. Remove the old module, if present, and insert the OWC module. Make sure it clicks into place, and you're good to go. OWC also offers an industry-leading advanced replacement program and a limited lifetime warranty, which includes free tech support. This gives you peace of mind knowing that you're covered in case of any issues. Plus, this module is a direct replacement for several Dell part numbers, including A3761100, A3803118, and many others, making it easy to find the right upgrade for your system. If you're looking to squeeze a bit more life out of your Dell Latitude E6320, E6420, or E6510, the OWC 4GB DDR3 memory module is definitely worth considering. It's an affordable, easy-to-install upgrade that can make a noticeable difference in performance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.